Hey guys, what's up? Luke here. If you want to solve a Rubik's Cube, you've come to the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube so you can get it looking like this without peeling off the stickers. I gotta clean my desk off. Okay. So step one. Step one, get your Rubik's Cube. And I'm just gonna scramble it a little. And it's hard to do this with one hand. Hold on. And I'm just gonna scramble it like that. And then you scramble it, and then so after that, hold on. So after that, after you scramble it, what I do. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to change my camera. So, like I said, the white side, you want to... So there I have 4 of the white pieces on there. And then now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get all the other pieces on the white side, I'm going to get all the other white pieces on to the bottom of the white side. And you do that by doing the, like, yeah, kind of like that. And then you just kind of do that 4 times because there's 4 corners in a cube. And see, I'm almost done here. And now what you'll end up with is 4 corners on each side, and you'll have the first 2 rows of the cubes complete. And that just kind of happens by accident. It's kind of just the math of it. There's only like 42 possible combinations of the cube, so if you don't get it, just re-scramble that and try it again, I guess. And now what you want to do is you want to get the yellows. And that's pretty much it. So, pretty simple tutorial. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll check them out and I'll help you with it. But pretty simple method solving the Rubik's Cube. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video.